The months October 1st, 2020 to March 31st, 2021 are expected to be the most trying months for the banking sector throughout the region, Grenada inclusive. That's according to Managing Director of the Grenada Co-Operative Bank, Richard Duncan. He explained why this will be so.
The program ends on September 30th, 2021. At that point, you would have interests that have been accumulated over the last 18 months to contend with. We're not too sure if the economy will be strong enough that tourism arrivals would be back to pre-COVID levels. The bank, currently, we are contemplating the techniques, the strategies, the analyses that we will do to work with our customers one by one.
Credit unions remain one of the major competitors in the banking sector, to which Duncan admits has gained grounds in the commercial sector over the years. However, he believes the regulations under which credit unions operate should be reviewed.
It would be remiss of me if I, as an economist, and not speaking on behalf of the bank now, do not make the point that the uneven playing field, the unregulated way in which the credit unions are engaging in banking business is not a good sign. And while we welcome competition, I believe that the evolution of the financial space and credit unions in particular calls for a relook of the regulatory environment to ensure that that evolution and that growth continues in an environment of safety and soundness.
Darrell Brathwaite, chairman of the Grenada Co-Operative Bank, speaking on the bank's performance for the past year, says this performance is credited to the improved credit and liquidity risk management. He said non-performing ratio remains below 1% as of September 30th, 2020. The bank total assets grew by 11% or $123.3 million and now stand at $1.29 billion. This growth, he says, is reflected in the bank's consumer loan portfolio.
This bank realized solid performance at the end of the 2020 financial year, though impacted by the economic downturn brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic. This year marks a flattening of the bank's after-tax profit following 6 consecutive years of steady growth. Such performance must be viewed in the context of a weakened economy, a ferociously competitive market, and astute management and leadership of the bank. Though the economy continues to reel under the reduced tourism activities brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic, the impact of the banking sector has been ameliorated by the ECCB-supported loan moratorium program.
Chrislina John, GBN News.